A little bit information now. What is the day? What is the date today?
March
28th.
28th.
And it's
28th.
sunny and it's been
6,
cold.
Oh yeah, Monday.
But,
Monday, March 28th.
but we've been up at the hills here and we're missing you.
Celebrating Corey's birthday lunch.
Yes.
Because you're over there in Africa and or Thailand or wherever you are.
Yes.
Anyway, so everybody's looking after me here, Peter, not to worry.
Okay. All right.
Armin's going to send you this.
Yes, and I will try to send it. I will try to send it.
And
That's
Pete,
Okay. And what time is it right now?
it's probably almost 4 o'clock.
Okay. We've been skiing since when?
Well, we had a
10:30.
long lunch.
Long lunch. What else is new?
It was a birthday lunch.
Peter will say what else is new.
Yeah.
Peter,
But it
Corey
was
Corey got a sexy little number to wear in Thailand.
Yes.
Yeah. And you can clean your teeth.
You can floss your teeth with it when she's all done. Or when you're done.
When you're done.